Ahanbada Maroi Pau, All Manipur Working Journalists Union gi External Tour Vietnam Kongchet, Manipur gi Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchanangasi lam thakre. Krumjari, Am-Istv gi Manipuri Pau mityang tabriba singbu taram nokjari, Pau sandong na pizari. All Manipur Working Journalists Union gi External Tour Vietnam Kongchet, Manipur gi Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchanangasi lam thakre. Singzamai Yumnam Laikai Lairimbi Lampaktagi lam thakhiba Kongchet atuda Media House kya gi media person kun manga amadi DIPR gi official manga yauna punna mioi kuntrana Kongchet atuda sarukya ki. Kongchet aduga mari leinana Editors Guild gi Secretary General Secretary Yumnam Rupachandrana Turasi DIPR gi sentang makhada amjuna sinduna Paumi Singtagi oiba External Tour oina Vietnam da chatpani Vietnam da riba tungan ba historical gi oiba mafam kya yengba amadi makhoi gi oiba karam ba sector da development karam na paikhatli amadi makhoi gi punsi mahing economy yauna tungan ba mafam kya yengani khongchada sida thengnarakpa awanungai kaya yauna development kaya Manipur miyam da khangan ba pandam da chatpani haikhe
tungan ba Vietnam gi development product development process tu akoi yeng bane chalise ahan ba khongchachi Ho Chi Minh da tani Ho Chi Minh jam historic oi ba city ni akoi gi Vietnam amasung US ki war gi loisan bam madugi jaga duma koi war history kamai tawna war history preserve tawge to koi yeng kani adugi matungda akoi na Hanoi hedana Vietnam gi capital pura northernmost da communist country ni adu daga su kamai tawna moina chawkhatli Chawkhat khongthang changjali ba do ko yenga kani
Hau khiba chahi asi ichauna maram oiduna lau charak traba matungda Imphal East ki Poiropat local da angan fau fast cropping ase mahi jahanbiu angan fau uriba laumes singi damakta khanbiduna assistant fertilizer officer sing first cropping loidriba fau ba transfer tawbiganu haina Poiropat local farmers development cooperative society limited na Manipur lenga ke sem amadi marilena ba department ki pungning chingsilakli Andro Assembly constituency ki Thambalnu Kaithel Kaina Rota Leiba Poiropat local farmers development cooperative society limited ki Thaume Singna Paume Sing Loina duna Poiropat local da Hauzik angan fau uriba adubu punna yengsin minara duna Farmers Development Cooperative Society Limited ke Secretary Khulem Tomchauna Imphal East ki Poiropat local ase ising ichauna maram oiraga chahi ani lau ubang ngamdana leirakhibani Manipur lenga ki agriculture amadi water resources department ta association asina haijabadagi mathau taba sing pibiduna angan fau ubani local asida ahanba oina lau sangam lisingama hena angan fau uri Assistant Fertilizer Officer L. Sanatombana marakta local asid laktuna yengsin biduna mathau taba thabak thoram sing takpitam biduna ngasi fauba lau uminaram bani Thasigi kuntra mathoida additional CS na thokpa order amada L. Sanatombabu transfer tawrakpada laumis sing kokta khut hapnare maramasina first cropping loidriba fauba jungi ahan bachayol faubadi mahakpu transfer tawbiganu haina lamdamasigi CM Yumnam Khemchan amadi mari leinaba singi pukning singsilakhi
2024-2025 flood thokna khoi log khidramne adro andro kendra ahambane fast crop quite chawna tawbuse hakum di lok sangam kun thraktane kumchi di lok sangam isingam hena tawri busi aduna maram moidana jun gi fast crop phokdi akhoi gi officer singje amutang magi mafam ji thambiyo hana takpirami ba khoi bu sumain taw na hairam ji loi transfer tawre akhoi honorable chief minister da akhoi longi mayamna ikok no na haijari fast crop phokdi akhoi laibo officer singje lingda namta thambiyo aduna tragadi akhoi lawje karama kanda har saini kamai tawni ba je asuk yam ba je moina amuk takpa lakpiyo kanda akhoi di transfer tawre haijale officer sarpakan har kada lawda gi akhoi ji kana da haidu no khoi thi phangdre hoji
Rizab Paugi Maraktana Tima Brem Tangnominasi.
Admissions open. Limited seats. Enroll your little one today. A happy and safe preschool environment focused on holistic development. We nurture curiosity, independence, and confidence through play-based learning, interactive classrooms, experienced educators and caretakers, a well-maintained teacher-student ratio, and a spacious play area. Kidzi Southern Palace Compound, 6009046088.
Matamgi nungsit nungsa amadi ayinga sana maram moiraga lok tungba amadi kubana singba tatana thohalli pumna maksibu kudak ta phanba ngamlaba kapidon kap siraf 100% harbel product ni lok khubada natana nakmahi chelaba amadi khangnau mareng chatlaga lok kangkhu khuraba Cafidon cup syrup thakpiu. Cafidon cup syrup.
Dada!
Ibe makigano. Ada betamo. Sige yung se next time tina checksin na laksilo ka tamo ka banine.
Dada lang se juhar habaga amta kiderbo.
Asum na mayam na machalbo ngapshan lugum. Masige yung masibu aso yang an ko kada batagi. Next time tina ngapseli. Next time ti juhar habati ngaktok na basim bani. Zaman technology siya na bana concrete ka tok na tina ba matamda. Kapam ng amuk kena hengal adli. Next TMT strength is in the quick.
Honglagli ba punsigi lambi sida aray ba chaba yaba makai sasinari. Adone hidak langthak kayama sadaba yarakte sasilliba singduna adomgi liver da kayam sokhalli khangbibra. Liver nabu soklaba chaning thakning ba phawdaba puk nungai taba khong hamba nungai raktaba amadi kuchu kumen senghallakti kuding magsibu ngakthok ke hairabadi Jolip 100% natural syrup amadi capsule.
Jolip 100% natural syrup and capsule.
Break itung da taram nok chori makata ba pau pizari. Reserve Bank of India Impal branch na Raising Club ngai kongkulen ga kutsam narga Nambol City block ki manung chanalai ba ngai kongkulen mamang lekai community hall da tha sigitang mapaldagi tara humdoi fauba chathagadaba financial literacy week ki sarukama oina pangthokre. Know your customer, your first step to safe banking haibathim da pangthok pathoram aduda RBI Impal ki chief general manager and Sridhar RBI Impal ki manager na gram panchayat level da Ladibas Singh bank ka khutsam naba mathautai hauzik fawda miyoi crore yankai manga account hangkre miyoi crore manga taruk KYC update tauba mathautari KYC submit taudrabadi bank tagi paisa lauthok payade Bharat ki oina miyoi crore chatruk rom bank tagi paisa lauthok payada na lairiba sida Manipur ki oina su lising kuntra rom yauri hairiba senfam sing asi lauthok naba bank ta KYC amukhana submit tauba mathautai hairiba senfam sing asi lauthok trabadi atopa miyoina lauthok hiba yai mina isagi paisa lana sizin nakhidanaba bank ka kupna tanabiu haike.
This time we thought that we will increase the awareness and educate the public about the KYC. So the theme we have chosen as KYC is safe banking first step. As part of this, along with our stakeholders, there are banks, etc. We are conducting this in various areas, and the facility will be given to all the people to ensure the KYC is done. If anyone is due for re-KYC, that also can be done here. And by doing the KYC and ensuring that banks, their accounts are safe and digitally they are protected, they will get aware and be protect themselves. This is the theme for which we are working here.
Loisalak pada maribapam kahna pisari. All Manipur Working Journalists Union ge external tour Vietnam Khongchat Manipur ge Chief Minister Imnam Khemchan ngasi lamthakre. Hauzik phauge oina Am-Istv na sandok chama Manipuri pau matang asida luchinjare miteng tabriba pumnamak po amuka hana khurumjare.